Can you really have too many leftover mashed potatoes? Maybe. If you do, I'm gonna show you what to do with them. Let's go. Sticking with the russet potato, we're gonna make some biscuits here. We made mashed potatoes. Everybody loves a good mash. Why do we love russets? With the skin on, very nutritious, filling, cost-effective, especially for chefs. A million ways we can use potatoes. What restaurant does not have leftover mashed potatoes? Turn them into biscuits the next day. Hearty, filling, cost-effective, and good. I'm not just gonna stop at the biscuit. Just honey and butter. Oh my goodness. Flaky sea salt. Is that magic? Is that beautiful or what? And we're gonna let them cool over here. I got some fried chicken. Woo. Strawberry preserves I made, right? Some bacon, some eggs, a little hot sauce. I'm gonna make a couple of sandwiches. Now that's what you do with some leftover mashed potatoes. Make them into a biscuit, put some friends and some goodies in between, and have yourself a great meal. I wanna say thank you, keep on doing what you do. From myself and the entire potato industry, I hope you enjoyed this recipe.